सोमारा राज्यात जीसीईटीचो निकाल जाहीर जालो. प्रतीक रिबेलो हांणी भौतिकशास्त्र, रसायनशास्त्र आनी गणित ह्या विशयांत टॉप केलां, जाल्यार जयराम नायक हो जीवशास्त्र विशयांत टॉप आयला. ही परीक्षा 9 आनी 10 मायाक भौतिकशास्त्र, रसायनशास्त्र, गणित आनी जीवशास्त्र अशा 4 विशयांनी गोंयभर 15 सेंटरांनी जाल्ली. ह्या परीक्षेक सुमार 5116 विद्यार्थी बशिल्ले. परीक्षेचो निकाल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ORS पद्दतीन जालो. व्यावसायिक पदवी अभ्यासक्रमाच्या प्रवेशा खातीर गरजेचे डॉक्युमेंट घेवन विद्यार्थ्यांक पर्वरे तांत्रीक शिक्षण संचालनालयान आनी मडगांव रवींद्र भवनात 18 मे ते 26 मे मजगती आयतार सोडून खंयच्याय दिसा सकाळी 10 ते 1 ना तर 2 ते 5 मजगती येवपाक मेळटलें अशी माहिती जाळवणदारांनी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
This year, 5,116 students registered for CET, GCET 2017. It was conducted in 4 subjects. For physics, we had all 5,116 candidates, out of which 4,964 actually appeared. Highest marks in physics were 70 out of 75. Minimum was 5 out of 75. And average marks scored was 20.53. In chemistry, 4,958 students actually appeared, with highest marks being 72, minimum 9, average 25.20. Maths, 3,448 students appeared. 74 out of 75 was the maximum marks scored. 2 students in fact scored 74. Minimum was 11. And average score was 29.47. And in biology, 3,517 students appeared. Again, highest was 74, minimum was 11, and average score was 38.34. We have also listed out some top 5 or top 10, top 8 students in various subjects, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. This year also the average marks scored were more or less in line with what has been the scenario in all earlier years. Of course, this year MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda and homeopathy admissions will be based on NEET score, NEET UG of 2017. And for other courses like engineering, pharmacy, allied health sciences, admissions will be based on marks scored in respective subjects of GCET 2017. 18th to 26th of May, 18 that is from Thursday to next Saturday 26th, we will be accepting Form B. That is the form for, it is application for admission to various courses. We are also aware that NEET results and NATA results are not likely to be declared before 26th. But irrespective of whether results are declared or not, students have to submit their Form B. B for engineering, B1 for architecture and B2 for MBBS, BDS. They have to submit it before 26th, and no forms for admission will be accepted after 26th. And we will be accepting these forms at 2 places, North Goa, here in the Directorate of Technical Education, and for convenience of people from South Goa, it can be in Ravindra Bhavan. But 26th is the last date.
So see, if you look at the average, the chemistry and mathematics average are more or less similar to last time. The physics average has gone down, but physics average keeps going up and down in this range, and physics always happens to be tougher. The biology marks have gone somewhat higher average marks than last year. And part of the reason is that we also wanted the biology paper to be a little simpler, because you must realize that the biology exam is meaningful mainly for the non-medical courses. So you may not be looking at the really top ranking students. So if the paper is very tough, so for those students you may find it difficult to discriminate if it's a very tough paper. So biology was a little easier. So it is as per plan, and broadly it's roughly in the range.